All right, now this is a not so secret sauce. It's basically made from some condiments from your fridge. It starts off with some butter and some brown sugar. Yep, bubbling brown sugar. To which I then put in some ketchup, about a cup of ketchup. And so you get that stirred. And let me tell you, now be careful because all of these ingredients have a vinegar base, so it's kind of strong. Follow that ketchup up with a little bit less than a cup, maybe a little less than half a cup of mustard. So you got brown sugar, ketchup, then mustard, and then of course I added in some buffalo sauce. You can use buffalo sauce or your favorite hot sauce based on the heat intensity that you can tolerate, okay? And then I got that stirring, and I'm turning it down right here, and just got that stirring and mixed well. I then, because it was a blueberry brunch, I took some of that blueberry syrup and added it. And you know what? I really wish I had added more because it was a unique flavor. I don't know. I'm going to try it again with a little bit more. But we put blueberries in everything because this was a blueberry brunch. All right, so once my chicken was nice and brown and my sauce was bubbling, I then just, took that chicken and dunked it in the sauce, gave each piece a beautiful coating of it. And let me tell you again, don't forget, now, the sauce has a vinegar base, so it's really strong. So watch yourself, all right? All right, so once I finished dunking my chicken, that went into a separate pan that I was going to actually put off into the oven because remember now, we were making